Colombian Andean region exhibits a complex hydrometeorological dynamic and a diverse geological and geomorphological setting characterized by having highlands with basins within high steep slopes and morphogenic conditions that are predisposed to gravitational hillside processes, shallow landslides. In this work is used the software TRIGRS, which is a physical-based software developed to model the time and distribution of shallow landslides associated to groundwater pressure heads that change in response to rain. TRIGRS couple hydrological and geotechnical models. Also, are used IDF curves, which provide historical rainfall intensity duration data from different returns of years and hydrological and geotechnical parameters of the basins. The result of this work shows that the areas under the cumulative density functions for the distributed safety factors calculated by TRIGRS on the different rainfall returns of years in a basin provide comprehension of how this effective factor is varying through the basin in different rainfall events, contributing to a new approach for defining rainfall thresholds in a basin scale in tropical terrains.